Hi YouTube. So we're back. We are in active gear again because I always feel super active and was just like, I want to film this. So I'm just about to head out to the gym. I would bring you guys inside, but it's always super busy and people just look at you weird and I don't feel like doing that. And also I just really want to smash a workout and get it out of the way in the morning so that I'm not thinking about it all day, and I have a really busy week coming up, so I just want to get in a really good workout now before this week, and if I don't have time then I won't feel guilty. But yes, so I'm gonna smash the gym and then we're gonna come back here, make a little protein shake, and then I thought we could go for a nice little walk in the park. Yeah, just have a little chat because it is a nice day. Without further ado, let's go to the gym. Whew, okay, back from the gym. Solid leg and booty workout. It was really busy though, so it was good I didn't bring the camera. No, I don't work out with my fridge. That would just be horrific and sweaty because I literally was dripping and I just had a little face wash thing, so I'm not too bad anymore. I thought we could make a little protein shake. Show you like just what I make. It's like super simple really. And then we'll go for a little walk in the park and have a chat. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so I've just made a super quick protein shake. It literally is 2 ingredients, 3 if you count ice, but I don't, so 2. It's just this Vega Sport protein in chocolate flavor. It's got so much protein in it. In 1 scoop, it's got 30 grams, 6 grams of BCAAs and 6 grams of glutamine. And I think in 1 scoop, it's also got 160 calories. So that one is so good. And so I just put it in this, mix it up with some water and some ice cubes or balls, these ones and these ones. I found it really sweet. And I really didn't like the flavor, like it was just too like chocolatey to me. So the only way I could like get over that and drink it and kind of enjoy it is if I had super duper cold water and ice in it. Just keeps it really cold, makes it a lot easier to drink, and now like I'm addicted and I can't not drink it. So another little hack is if you drink through a straw, metal straw, because we are environmentally friendly and, you know, recycling, reusing, all that sort of stuff. If you drink it through a straw, it makes it, I think, a lot easier to like go down and you drink it kind of quicker. So yeah, that's my little hack if you don't like your protein powder or whatever, but I do like it now. And I would also add it to like smoothies and stuff like that, but this is just super easy, super quick if you're like running out the door or can't be bothered to really make another smoothie. So that's it. And I'm gonna drink this now and walk around in the park. This is like my little wind down after the gym. I like to come with my protein shake and just walk around the park. It looks a bit weird now because they're setting it up for like festivals and stuff, but it's a nice way to cool down, still like get a bit of cardio in, some sunshine. That's the most important part for me, just to get outside, because there could be days where you just like sat at work or at home or doing like domestic stuff that you really just don't want to be doing. I think it's important that you get some time outside every single day, even if it's just like for a couple of minutes, like go for a walk on your lunch break or whatever. That's been a big change in my lifestyle. I've always been like an outdoorsy person, but I think incorporating it more, and when you do it like straight after the gym, it's like you're still kind of working out, so it makes it a lot easier. So yeah, this is my time now. The park is honestly so busy today. I picked the wrong day to film. I've been doing a lot of reflection on my year that I've been here in London, and it's brought a lot of things to the surface, like what I've achieved, you know, sort of where I started to where I am now. I won't go like super into it, but if you have the chance to go on a placement or study abroad or student exchange or anything like that, take it, because it's honestly been one of the most eye-opening, amazing experiences of my life. You learn so much about other people, other sort of lifestyles, other cultures, but you learn so much about yourself. So the person that I was when I started this time last year is not the person talking to you right now. I've grown like so much more confidence, and I'm sort of figuring out the person that I am and that I want to be, so it's been amazing. And in saying all of that, I have loved my year here. There have been struggles, obviously. With every experience, you're gonna have ups and downs. And although I've loved it so much, like living in London, and I think it's such an amazing city, I've realized about myself that I can't be in one place for too long. This year here has been great, and because I started quite young, it was a really big deal that I came here by myself and living here and working here by myself. But I think that I'm ready to move now. And after this, I think I'll need to be moving places in more like every few months and stuff like that. Just because I can't stay in one place for too long. I don't think anybody really can. Like, we really have such a travel instinct, you know, we need to get up and move, and there's so much of the world that I still have left to see, and I just want to start that sort of journey. And I'm so happy I have a couple months to go traveling with my family and my friends. Then I'll be moving back to Oxford for a couple of months for uni, but then hopefully I'll be off to Australia to do like a study abroad for one semester. So I think it's been good, but definitely travel and get out and have some work experience and just live in different places. I can say from the bottom of my heart, like, this has been one of the most life-changing experiences ever, and I wouldn't be the same person I am now if I hadn't taken this placement in second year, as hard as it was. But I'm glad I've realized the things that I needed to about myself now than maybe 3, 4, 5 years down the line, and I'm very appreciative of everything. Okay, this is super boring, but I have to be kind of a domestic woman and do my laundry. It's all washed and dried and all that shit down there, but I have to fold it now and put it away, and I'm also in the middle of packing my room, as you can see. It's just one big mess. I'm just really not a fan of it, and I don't like this process at all. But I thought, as a nice treat, afterwards I found this wine cafe. Of course, like the last week that I'm in this area, I find the cutest wine cafe. But apparently there's live music every Sunday, so I was gonna finish that and then get all cute and whatever, and then go out and have just like a nice evening. I'm just gonna go have some wine and enjoy some live music, so we'll see how we get on. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing to go out, just for a nice little evening, have some wine and maybe a couple of nibbles, and I'll have a proper dinner when I get home. So I'm just wearing this like little flowy skirt with a slit and a little crop top, so I thought that that was cute. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go by myself because nobody's replying me and I wanna go. Just do whatever you wanna do. It doesn't matter if people are free or not. Do you. Do what you want to do. So yeah, I thought that that would be a nice little evening. Yeah, I don't really like to wear too much makeup when I go out now. Just if I have spots, and I just like cover them up a little bit. And amazing lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss kind of girl, and I just put a little tiny bit of eyeliner on tonight. But it's just, that's how I'm feeling. So that's me, and then I'm just gonna have a nice evening. I'll probably wrap up this video now. Just have a really chilled one because I do have work tomorrow. Been kind of a chilled domestic kind of day, although I went to the gym, but yeah. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which I don't know what it will be or when it will be, but see you then. Bye!